A silent, seamless glide of white and black, the PlayStation 5's outer shell is more than aesthetic, it shields the heart of the console while trapping dust in dedicated channels, guiding debris away from sensitive internals. A gentle lift reveals the engineered layers beneath, each designed for efficiency and longevity. At the center, a massive, carefully curved fan dominates the space. Its sculpted blades channel air with a purpose, every curve calculated for quiet operation and powerful cooling. The airflow is directed across a sprawling heatsink, its fins precisely aligned to dissipate heat, ensuring the PS5 remains cool under pressure. Beneath it all lies the motherboard, where the custom AMD APU is nestled under a thin layer of liquid metal. This advanced cooling solution maximizes thermal transfer, allowing for higher performance without excess noise. Nearby, the power supply is shielded and separated, while storage drives and expansion slots are placed for easy access and efficient heat management. Every component is laid out with intent, a testament to Sony's pursuit of power and silence. One small change in airflow, one clever placement of cooling material, these are the choices that let the PS5 run cooler than you'd expect.